Hi everyone, and welcome to our Halloween series, Spooky Makeup 101. I'm Erica. I'm a special effects makeup artist. Throughout the month of October, I will be posting a video weekly of different tips and tricks for special effects makeup to make your Halloween ensemble over the top. This week, I will be showing you how to do bruises. I will warn you, this video may be graphic for some. So if you feel like you may be uncomfortable watching it, feel free to click off. But if you want to learn how to recreate bruises, then keep watching. So a few things that you will need are just a basic makeup wedge sponge and a few little cream palettes. I got them from Walmart in the Halloween section. So without further ado, let's begin. I'm going to be teaching you how to recreate this bruise. So first we're going to start by taking just our makeup sponge, and we are going to pick it, and our end result will hopefully look something like this. This helps when you apply the product to help it disperse better, and it won't be as thick when you apply, because with bruises, the key to it is the lighter hand, the better. We want to build up the makeup. We don't want to instantly start with heaviness because it's hard to take away. So on this cheek, I am going to begin by taking this purple color here, and I'm just gonna dab my makeup sponge into the product, and I'm going to work in a circular motion dabbing. I feel like the circular motion's a lot easier to make the bruise look more real. I'm following my cheekbone right now for the face. You can see I'm kind of keeping a little bit of a lighter area in the center. I feel like that helps to make your bruise look more realistic compared to just filling it in completely. So I'm just stippling. It may take a little bit to build up your product. It sometimes does, but once you get the hang of it, it is super easy. So I'm gonna keep going in with this purple, and I'm just gonna keep building it up. I'm gonna add a little bit. Be careful around your eyes, because sometimes products can be a little irritating for some, but we're just gonna keep working this in. Once I get a happy base that I think is nice and thick enough, I'm gonna go in with one of these redder colors, kind of like a blood red, I would say. And I'm gonna take that same sponge and dab it into the product. And then I'm just gonna go back in and keep stippling. And I'm gonna kind of blend out my edges. And sometimes if I feel like it's getting a little bit too heavy, I take just a blank sponge and I just dab it onto the product that I don't like. Now I'm gonna go back in with this darker purple, and I'm just going to dab over that red. And I'm gonna just kind of bring it down so I don't have as harsh of an edge. And up here, I'm just going to blend. So once you get to a consistency you like, I then usually will take some type of powder. I'm just gonna use this clear powder right here, and I'm going to take a makeup sponge again, and I'm just gonna rub it in, and I'm gonna lightly tap on this, and I'm gonna use my fingers to kind of blend it out a little bit. This helps to keep your makeup on longer, and it also helps to dull it down if it looks shiny, giving it more of a realistic look. So I'm just gonna keep tapping that with my finger. Once I'm happy with it, that will be the completed look. Now, stay tuned next week. We will have another video talking about cuts. Have a good night.